Hi, this is Valerie with At My Home, and today we're going to check out this sprayable and pourable oil bottle that we got for our olive oil. So here it is. It's got one bottle for both purposes. So what this does is you can store your oil in it, and then you can either spray it so it's a little healthier when you're cooking, or you can pour it out. So we use a lot of olive oil. I thought this would be a nice addition to our kitchen. So here it is. All right, it's cool. They give you these stickers so you could have, one for avocado oil, olive oil, whatever. We just really use olive oil, so it'll be great for that. What's nice is it's this kind of tinted glass, which is good for keeping your olive oil fresh, and it's food safe. All right, so let's open it up here. All right, so here's the lid. This is how it comes. And what you need to do first, of course, is you need to actually put this in here so it can spray. And I'm just not gonna fill it with oil right now. I'm just gonna put some water in here so you can see how it works. It'll give you the idea. So we just fill this guy up here, screw it on. And there's two ways that it works. So there's this little button here, and if you open that up, it brings out the pourer, so you can just pour it out if you want a lot of oil. And then when you're ready to spray, you just push this back down, locks in place, and then you use this sprayer. So you have to make sure it's upright, and then it gives you a nice spray of oil. So it's a little healthier when you're cooking. You don't get quite as much. So that is the sprayable and pourable oil container. Thanks for watching.